Welcome to Pwnsalot's Moghouse. Now, as you can see, I have quite a few decorations around the premises here, and not very many of them serve a purpose. It's just stuff I've collected since I started playing. One of the things I'm working on right now that I've just got set up is what's called a Moghancement. The one that I'd like to get is the where is it? It's going to be on this list. Moghancement. Okay, I found it. Here we go. Moghancement Bounty. So, Moogle powered assistance from your Moghouse increases the rate of gaining experience and capacity points. Well, capacity points obviously is the key word there. So I wanted to get that, and the only item that I know that has that Moghancement attached to it is the clock. This clock over here. So I put a clock in here, and I left everything else the way it was, and I didn't get the bounty. I was like, well, why is the Moghancement still not that one? And so I was looking at it, and I was like, well, maybe it's just not strong enough. So I added another clock, and when I added that clock, it actually worked. So I started taking pieces out of the Moghouse and putting them back in one at a time to see what the limit would be. And I discovered that with 2 clocks, I pretty much have no chance of not having the Moghancement bounty that I'm looking for. So I went ahead and I put my bed back in here, which gives you a Moghancement experience, but it was overpowered by the clocks, so I still have the bounty. I put my fish tanks back in here, and I didn't get the Moghancement water because it was overpowered by the bounty. So then just to be sure, I added some more clocks. So I have like a clock there, and I have a clock there, and so there's no way I'm not having the Moghancement bounty now. I was going to put a clock here, but I decided that instead I would keep my Junoan flag to kind of represent Juno a little bit. And the stuff that I had on this floor, where those clocks were, I decided to put them on the second floor. Now, note, if you play this game, anything you put on the second floor does not affect your Moghancement, so you can pretty much put whatever you want up there, and it won't affect anything on the first floor or on the game itself. You'll still have the Moghancement from whatever's on the first floor. So on this floor, I put all of the flags I had in my Moghouse and the rest of my clocks. So you can see I've got plenty of room to put other stuff, and that's just a very small section of this floor here. I can actually put, if I wanted to, which I'll just demonstrate, I could take, like, let's say this clock here, I could rearrange it, bam. I can overlap the clocks if I want, so there's no way that I'll run out of room here. You see, I can put whatever I want on this floor, no problem. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo that, so it looks at least a little bit appealing. Let's put it here. Yep. So that's my Moghouse, and this is my attic, basically. I'm probably going to buy a porch, a patio set for this, so instead of this room, I'm going to have a patio. And I don't know how that's going to look yet, so I'll find out, and then I'll post it on YouTube. But yeah, so enjoy, and thanks for checking out my Moghouse.